Hey guys, this is Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen, and I'm making my tartar sauce. Tonight we're having beer battered flounder, so I'll leave a link at the end on the end screen for you to watch that one. And I'm going to show you what you need. You need mayonnaise. I've got some sweet pickle relish that I've drained because, you don't want it soppy. I've got a small minced onion that I put through the chopper, very fine. And I have to apologize. I don't have a fresh lemon, so I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice. Alright, let's get started. Put the onion in here. The amount of onion you use, the amount of everything you use is up to you. When you mince the onion up like this, it gives it a great flavor. I've got this pickle relish. I'll do a little squirt of this. I'm so sorry. I'm embarrassed. Not much, just to flavor it. And I did forget salt and pepper. I like my new salt and pepper containers. Those glass ones, the lids were wearing out on them.
But now you have glass bowls too.
Yeah, these are my new glass bowls. They're supposed to be a Christmas present, but I kind of got into them early. And that was dumb. Now let me get another spoon. I'm not going to put that spoon in my mayonnaise. Alright. Oh no, I'm almost out of dukes. We can't be having that. Oh no. Let's see what we're working with here. Okay, that looks good. I am going to give it a little taste. I'm going to use this spoon. Then I have another one, so I have to add more mayonnaise. That is good. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the fridge and let it marinate. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome back to my subscribers and to my new visitors. Please take a look around. I'd love to have you in the family, so hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. And give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.